Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set up parental controls on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on digital well-being and parental controls. Now from here, scroll down and tap on set up parental controls. Now from here, tap on let's do this. Now from here, just select your child's email account. Now from here, tap on next. Now from here, just enter the parent's email. Now from here, once you enter the parent's email, just tap on next. Now from here, just enter the password of the parent's email. Now from here, once you enter the parent's email, tap on next. Now from here, tap on done. And this is how you can set up parental controls on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.